Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open Pika.art. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the login button in the top right corner. And you can either sign up with your personal Google account, Facebook account, Discord account, or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with my Google account. So click on it and let's complete the sign up process. After successfully signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you'll need to enter your prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy the prompt and paste it into Pika Art. Underneath, you can choose your desired video model. You can also select the video quality, aspect ratio, and duration of the video as well. You can try the Pika Art new video model 2.5 for free and finally hit the submit button. Now click on library and see if the generation is just started or not. And as you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for Pika Art using your personal Google account, Facebook account, Discord, or email address. It's completely up to you. With this free tool, Pika Art, you will get 80 free credits as a sign up bonus. With these free credits, you can generate approximately 5 to 6 videos, depending on the video model, duration, and other settings you choose. If you want to create longer video content once your credits run out, you can sign up again using a different Google account or email address and receive more free credits. This way, you can continue generating AI videos as long as the platform continues offering its current free generation system or until it becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with Pika Art has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.